To change the language on Dhgate, start by opening a web browser and navigating to the Dhgate website. Once you've arrived, you'll see various options, including a search bar, register and sign in links, and your cart. After signing in with your email and password, you'll have access to your recently viewed items, favorites, and cart. To change the language, look for the options located near the top of the page, which include settings for protection, customer service, and savings, as well as the ability to select your shipping country, language, and currency. Click on the Language tab to choose from a list of available languages, including English, Spanish, Portuguese, Russian, French, German, Italian, Turkish, and several Eastern Asian languages. You can also use the search function to find your preferred language. After selecting your language, be sure to click Save to update the website and ensure you can navigate it comfortably. By following these steps, you can easily change the language on Dhgate and improve your overall experience on the site.